Usually while going down, I like to run because it kind of gives you the traction, all that. You can go like really fast down here. But today I'm feeling a little tired. I don't know. Yeah, definitely tired. So I had to pace myself going down. Yesterday I also had like a lot of food, ton of food. So and well, the good news is we have climbed the Boundary Peak, which is the tallest in Nevada. So been there, done that. I don't know if I'm gonna do it again. Maybe, I don't know. I'm still young, so maybe I'll have one more shot because I have so many things I can do or I want to do, and so it's crazy. I'm all over the place. You can see the clouds sheltering the canyons and mountains. It's kind of like a fantastic God's creation, guys. So very soon the sun will be setting on this side, and it's gonna be fantastic if the clouds are not there. So the clouds shifted from this side to this side. You can see all these clouds, right? In the morning, that's not the case. So we had a great sunset yesterday and great sunrise today. So it's fantastic. Yeah. So going on the mountains,